I have the Frani center console cover right here in the white color. So first off, thank you to the company for sending this out to me. So this is for the Tesla Model Y Juniper here. So as you can see, it's a really nice white color, matches the white interior that I have here. And if you have the black, it would still look nice as well. So it has a nice stitching on there. Looks really nice. It's like the synthetic leather material. Feels really nice and soft. Fits perfect. You just slide on there. I can take it off and show you. Well, let me show you this first. So you see, there's a perfect fit. Putting it on was really simple. Basically slide it on. Taking it off is easy as well. So yeah, it replaces the black that's on there. So if yours is damaged or you just want to protect it, change the color, this is really nice one to get. You can see it has the soft felt there inside which protects it. And getting it on is super easy. Just slide on. Perfect fit. So if you are looking for a white one like this, be sure you check this out.